Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. In this period of the science, we have to complete our chapter 3, that is our nervous system. In the previous video, I have sent you the three question answer of this chapter. Now today we will do the remaining question answer for this chapter. So you have to write down these question answer in your notebook in very good and neat handwriting. So our next question is, what is the function of spinal cord? Means in this question we have to write the basic function of spinal cord. We know that spinal cord is also a part of the nervous system. So first thing, what we have to write down that spinal cord, it is a bundle of nerves that connects to the brain to the other parts of the body, because we know that in nervous system brain, spinal cord and nerves are included. So spinal cord is also a bundle of nerves which connect with the brain and to the other parts of the body. So if we will talk about the connection of spinal cord with the brain, so it begins from the medulla oblongata, which is the lower part of the brain, or it is also called as brainstem, and extend down to the lower end of our backbone. Okay, means spinal cord connects medulla oblongata, or the lower part of the brain, to the lower part of the backbone. Now many nerves emerge from the spinal cord and connects with the rest of the body. Means so many nerves, we all know that in our whole body a web of nerves are there which are connected with the spinal cord only. Basically spinal cord transmit message from the brain to other parts, and also it gets the signal from the other parts of the body to the brain. So this is the basic function of spinal cord. Next question we have, that is, describe the structure of an eye. So already we have made we have made the diagram of structure of eye. So in this question we have to write the description of an eye. So first thing, the outermost portion, whatever the portion we can easily see, the it is known as cornea. So the outermost portion in front of an eye, which is the circular and transparent layer, it is called as cornea. Then there is a colored circular point. Okay, if we will see our cornea, the front side of the eye, so we see there is a colored circular part which is called as iris. And then this we also can see there is a dot type structure into the iris, which is an opening in the center, which is known as pupil. Okay, pupil. Now behind the iris, now we are talking about the inner structure of eye. So behind the iris, it is a transparent substance which is called lens. Lens is only responsible for seeing the things. Okay, now lens focus on the light and project image on the retina. So retina, it is the last part of the eye which is connected with the brain through a sensory nerve. So this nerve is called as optic nerve. Next we have the last question of this chapter. How does our tongue recognize the taste? We all know that our tongue has different types of taste buds, so we can easily find out the taste of the things like the sweet, sour, hot. Okay, so the tongue help us to taste. We all know that it is one of the sense organ which help us to taste, and it also recognize the taste with the help of taste buds. We all know, I have already told you, on the outer or surface of the tongue, taste buds are present, which is responsible or which recognize the taste of the things or the food. Now what are the taste buds? So basically they are the tiny projection on the surface of the tongue. If we will touch our tongue, so we find there are some tiny projection, or our tongue is a little bit rough, we can easily feel the tiny projection on the surface of the tongue. So these are the taste buds which is responsible for tasting the things, whether it is a sweet, sour or okay. So means these are the three questions which we have remained. So today itself you have to complete these questions in your science notebook. Means in this chapter total 6 question answers we have written in our notebook. So you have to write it down today itself, and you have to send these question answer in the student hub.